To apply for Monzo Flex, start by ensuring you have a Monzo account, as this is a requirement for eligibility. If you do not have an account, you can sign up through the Monzo app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you have a Monzo account, open the Monzo app and navigate to the section that says Monzo Flex. Here, you will find an option to apply for Monzo Flex, which is Monzo's Buy Now Pay Later feature. When you click on this option, you will be asked to provide some personal and financial information, which will be used to assess your eligibility for Monzo Flex. This information may include your income, employment status, and credit history. You will also be asked to choose the type of purchase you want to make using Monzo Flex, as well as the amount you want to borrow. The options for repayment will then be presented to you, including the interest rate and any fees associated with the loan. Before proceeding, review the terms and conditions of Monzo Flex, including the repayment schedule and any potential penalties for late payment. If you are satisfied with the terms, you can proceed with your application, and Monzo will provide you with an instant decision. If your application is approved, the funds will be made available to you immediately, and you can use Monzo Flex to make purchases online or in store. It is essential to use Monzo Flex responsibly and make your repayments on time to avoid any negative impact on your credit score. It is also important to note that Monzo Flex is a form of credit, and you should only borrow what you can afford to repay. By following these steps and using Monzo Flex responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of Buy Now Pay Later while maintaining a healthy financial situation.